Would you like to save money, time, and facility space? Do you want to make your labor more productive and reduce shipping costs? Are you interested in these benefits while meeting corporate sustainability goals with packaging that is better for the environment? Then catch our VP speaking at the Modex show live. Greg Berguig from PAC Machinery, along with other SLAM presenters, on learning how to introduce sustainability into your fulfillment operation while reducing costs and increasing productivity. Monday, March 11th, 10:30 a.m. to 11:15 at the Sustainability Theater at the Modex show. I interviewed Greg on what to expect from his presentation.
Welcome to the show today. So you're speaking at Modex. Why don't you tell us a little bit about how you got involved with this opportunity?
PAC Machinery is a member of MHI, and we belong to the SLAM industry group.
Greg, tell us about SLAM.
The SLAM industry group is focused on the last 100 feet inside of a warehouse. So the scanning, labeling, applying, and manifesting of packages out the door and looking at automation solutions around that. And me and a couple other people in that industry group will be presenting at Modex on a session regarding sustainability. And in particular, automation combined with sustainability. You know, there's a lot of companies that have sustainability initiatives out there. Some of them are trying to eliminate plastic altogether. Some of them are trying to, reduce the size of their packages. Some of them are looking at recycled content and things along those lines. So be really presenting, talking about some of those sustainability options. And, I think it's important when you look at automation and sustainability, a lot of the times those two things can go hand in hand. There's a lot of automation that you can implement that actually enhances your sustainability.
And what are some of the key takeaways that people will learn from this session, Greg?
So really just this presentation will be giving packers and warehouses and brands ideas on some of the different things that are currently out there.
This is definitely a topic people want to catch while they're at the Modex show. All right, everybody, you heard it here first. Greg Berguig talking about sustainability and packaging. See Greg and our team at the Modex show, booth C4488. They'll be there with some of our top automatic baggers for fulfillment. Stop by and see us at Modex, C4488.